welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in the LT trim with white metallic paint and alloy rims, the rear privacy tint, power liftgate, heated seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Now on to the interior. On our door panel we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, power liftgate controls, speaker, and storage. Side of the seats, we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support controls, our lighting controls, gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather wrapped and heated steering wheel. Then we have our push start, infotainment screen with backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. We also have the option to fold that up to reveal storage behind, bit of a secret cubby. We have our dual zone climate, heated seats for driver and passenger, charging outlets, and storage. 2 cup holders, gear selection stalk, all-wheel drive controls, as well as our electric park brake. Padded leather center console lid with our copper stitching. That copper stitching continues in the front seats, which are finished in black fabric, as well as a gray textured fabric in the lower portion. And once again, they are heated seats and power adjustable. Above our rear view mirror, we have OnStar controls and reading lights. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, Traverse badging in chrome, as well as paint matched mirror caps and door handles. We have our chrome lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles, our rear privacy tint. And then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Traverse all-wheel drive and LT badging featured in chrome, dual exhaust, and our power liftgate. Now on to the rear interior of the vehicle, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats, we have our magazine holders. And back of the center console area, we have our rear climate controls and charging outlets. Our rear seats are featured in a 60/40 split bench, which we can see here. Controls to fold that forward, and revealing behind our rear 60/40. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.